Today I like to show you how to build a Quarkus application and using it as a Lambda function, building it with Gitlab CI. The prerequisites are a Docker daemon, JDK11, Maven, an AWS account, and AWS CLI installed, and also a Gitlab account. So let's start by creating a sample project with the help of a Maven archetype. The archetype is now running and making some questions. As you can see, this is a Maven project with the POM. We have the Quarkus Amazon Lambda dependency in there. Here is the request handler. Now we go to GitLab, enter our account, and create a new project. I already done this. As you can see here, this is the sample project generated and imported to GitLab. Now we have to create an access token. This is done in the settings dialog under access token. You give the access token a name and the scope. Select the scope API and create it. I already done this. Now this access token needs to be copied to your local settings file in your Maven repository. Then in the POM file we have to add our repositories, our GitLab repository, and you have to change this ID with the project ID of your imported new GitLab repository. Here is your project ID. This ID has to be entered here 3 times. Next we add the assembly plugin. This is this one, which is needed to build the package for the Lambda function. The assembly plugin needs a descriptor, which is in the source main assembly directory. I will put this link in the description so you can find all this code in my GitLab repository. So now it's all set and we can go and build the project and deploy it also to the GitLab Maven repository. As this needs some minutes, I will pause the video and come back later. The build is successfully completed and the artifacts got uploaded to the GitLab Maven repository. Let's have a look. And here is the package repository of this project. And here you find the artifacts. This is a snapshot. For this reason we have here more than one artifact. And this zip file here is the zipped function code for the AWS Lambda package, which has a file of 7 MB in there named bootstrap. So Next, we prepare the CI pipeline for GitLab. For this, we need to create a CI settings XML file. Let's see if I can find it. Here is it. The CI settings file is needed for the GitLab runner to push our code to the package repo, and it has this environment variable in there as job token. You put this file in the root of our project. Next, we need to, for the compilation to work, install the Graal VM. We do this with a little script, which is this here. The script downloads the Graal VM version 11 and installs it locally and prepares the Graal VM to build with the native image. Now last, we need the GitLab pipeline script, which is this here. It installs the prerequisites as you build essentials and so on. It executes then our install Graal VM script, exports the Graal VM home variable, and then makes the maven clean deploy command, giving the CI settings XML file. As you can see, it builds the native Quarkus image. So let's have a look. So we go to the CICD section, to the pipelines, and I have already done this. This is the build native section. As you can see, it was successful. Let's have a look here. This is the part where the native image gets built, and here we have the Maven assembly part where it gets uploaded then to our package repo. In this post, we have used Quarkus to build a AWS Lambda function with a custom runtime, and we have used the GitLab CI pipeline to automate everything. The next part of this post, I will show you how we can deploy this Lambda function to AWS. Thank you and bye.